I'm making a really fun sounding quiche. It's an Eggs Benedict quiche. Let's try this. Start by preparing a pie shell. Cut up bits of a toasted English muffin. And some Canadian bacon. A cup of shredded Swiss cheese. Grab a bowl. This pie shell is quite small, so I'm using 4 eggs. A cup of heavy whipping cream. Half cup of milk. Some black pepper. And I'm going to chop in some chives. Let's whisk that together and cover the top. Bake at 375 for about 40 minutes. Looks good. Let's top with some hollandaise sauce and a sprinkle of chives. Eggs Benedict Quiche. Nailed it. It tastes just like Eggs Benedict. I can taste that bit of English muffin in there, and the Swiss cheese, and that hollandaise sauce pulls it all together. It is a perfect quiche, and I'll give it an 8.6 out of 10. I hear it's best to serve Eggs Benedict on a hubcap. Why? Because there's no plate like chrome for the hollandaise.